See children, we have studied parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. And what are those 8 parts of speech? They are nouns, adjectives, pronouns, verbs, adverbs. 6th one is prepositions, 7th conjunctions, and 8 is interjections. So we have already studied about nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are the naming words. किसी भी चीज़ के नेम को हम लोग कहते हैं nouns. Suppose if I say bird, then what is this bird? Bird is a noun. Now if I say small, what is this small? It is adjectives. It is a describing words. Adjectives वो होते हैं जो nouns को describe करते हैं. So what कैसा bird? What kind of bird? Small bird. So these are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Nouns are naming words. Nouns किसी चीज़ के name को कहते हैं. Nouns are naming words. And adjectives describe something. So adjectives are describing word. Now what are pronouns? Pronouns are the word which is used in place of noun, like he, she, it. And what are verbs? Verbs are action words, and besides action words, some be verbs and have verbs are also there. So the words fly, sing, all these are verbs. Verbs are doing words. हम किसी भी काम को करते हैं वो डूइंग वर्ड्स वर्ब्स होते हैं. ओके, वर्ड्स लाइक फ्लाई, सिंग, ईट, ये होते हैं वर्ब्स, क्योंकि वर्ब्स आर एक्शन वर्ड्स, डूइंग वर्ड्स. नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट स्टडिंग adverbs. What will be start? Today we will study about adverbs. Now let us see what are adverbs. Look at the sentence that I have written on the blackboard. A small bird was singing sweetly. So first of all, when you see the word bird, you understand that this word bird, this is a noun over here. This is a noun, name of a thing or animal. Now the word small bird, what kind of bird? Small birds. The word small is describing the word bird. What kind of bird? Small bird. So here small is our adjective. So this is adjective. Now see the sentence again. A small bird was singing sweetly. In this sentence, bird is noun. Bird is described by the word small, so it is adjective. What is the bird doing? The bird is singing. So this is our verb here. Now what is this word sweetly doing? This word sweetly is describing the word singing. How is the bird singing? कैसे sing कर रहे हैं bird? Bird is singing sweetly. That means this sweetly is describing this word. Singing को describe कर रहा है ना? Word sweetly is describing the word singing. That means it is describing verb. Verb के बारे में बता रहा है. So this is called adverb. So this is our adverb. So what is an adverb? Adverb is a word that describes a verb. Your book. In this they have given sentences like the driver stopped the bus suddenly. The children crossed the road safely. So stopped. How did the driver stop the bus? The driver stopped the bus suddenly. So suddenly is your adverb here. The children crossed. Crossed is an action. How? How did the children cross? Safely. So this is your adverb here. So these words are describing the verbs. Verbs means doing words. कैसे stop हुआ? कैसे cross किया? How? So the word that describes the verbs are called adverbs. She played happily. Played is your verb, and how was she playing? Happily. So happily is your adverb here. The adverb happily tells us the way of playing. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective. Why are they saying adjective? Adverb mostly describes a verb, but कभी कभी वो adjective को भी describe करते हैं. So the words that describes or modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective is called adverb.